With avocados, you don't need a mordant to make the colour fast. Save some avocado skins and stones. Add to cold water and put on the stove to boil. Sort out some fabrics, cotton, silk and a handful of sheep's fleece. I'm using an old stainless steel pan with the lid on. Boil gently for 20 minutes and then add the fabric. Boil gently for 10 minutes. Set the timer. I use old wooden spoons to lift out the fabrics and rinse them in cold water. I popped the fleece back in the pan for another go and added a piece of calico. Boil for another 20 minutes. It's always handy to set the timer. Another go at rinsing and enjoying the colours of the liquid left behind and the colour of the wooden spoons. Next, I draped a cotton top, half in, half out of the pan, supported on an old cake tin. While that was boiling, I went to hang the other bits on the japonica bush in the garden and enjoyed the wind. Float an avocado shell in the rinse water and watch the reflections of tree and sky. Back to the top, boiling in the pan. Take it out after a while and have a look at it, and if you want a bit deeper colour, put it back in. The blue is from a previous dye experiment. Give it all a good rinse in cold water. I knotted a cotton handkerchief and put it in the remaining dye in the pan. More boiling, more setting the timer, more rinsing, and then in the garden to hang everything out. Watching the fabrics blowing in the wind is very relaxing. The fleece barely took the colour. I took it indoors and dried it on the radiator. Back to the knotted handkerchief. I took it out of the pan and gave it a rinse. I put another little bit of silk fabric in the pan. Didn't boil it, but just let it cool, and it came out a little pale colour. The hanky's drying under the carport as rain is promised. I tipped all the avocado stones and skins onto the compost heap and saved the liquid, and decided to put the cotton top back into the liquid and just leave it overnight to see if the colour would deepen. Enjoy all the different colour tones that emerge from these experiments.